What's up guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, thank you. Okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah guys, kindly today I could like to start my vlog from this point here, from the home of the late Jemo Robbie. Yeah, the one who was our friend indeed. Yeah, so kindly today is on Friday. Yeah, right now it's around the lunch hours guys. Yeah, we want to cook some food for them so that they can take for lunch. You know, we have a visitor here in this home, and now you know everyone is looking for us, like James Robbie. He was a youth, so they want us like youth so that we can perform our duties by making by assisting them here and there. Yeah, bring the so here we have some contribution so that we can succeed. You can contribute even the strength, not that it's only money, even anyhow guys. So right now here we are cooking there. Yeah, let me take you the place of cooking. Yeah, today we are the one who cooking the ugari here. Yeah, so kindly guys, stay tuned, watch to the end. Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, show love by subscribing. Kindly guys, show love by subscribing, and it will be okay, it will be good guys. Yeah man. Iko 59. Oh, si bado haijaja lakini. Yeah, we are chilling very early in the morning here after we have wake up. Yeah. Tenko go terani hayo. Orakora hai.
Lunch house. Yeah. And as you can see, and these are Jamaican Boy
Africa.
Isaac Mbuya there, and
what do you want,
guys? Ambrose today
you are chief chef.
Guys, as you can see, hold the camera. Our water has already boiled.
Okay.
For cooking.
Ready for cooking.
Yeah, let's cook together, guys.
Yeah, the maize cake.
The maize cake.
This maize cake. Okay, guys, as you can see, we are at the funeral home. Yeah, the funeral home. So they have decided that it's us today. We are going to cook for them so that they can take lunch. Yes, as you can see around here, we are about many people here. So we are just here right now preparing for lunch. Preparing for lunch so that the people can take, you know.
Give them the Jamaican African boy introducing himself in the camera.
Jamaican boy. Yeah man. What's up guys? Yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, kindly chip in Isaac Mboya channel. Yeah, kindly make sure guys you subscribe to his channel. Yeah, let's show love, show support. Yeah, and everything will be good. Here and the one who talking here is Jamaican Boy Africa guys. Yeah, kindly, if it's the first time for you to come in Jamaican Boy channel, please make sure you click the bell guys. Yeah, here we are cooking with Isaac Mboya guys. I think there's a video that you see him, yeah, in my video.
Very big dance.
Look,
we really lost very big person. That's why we have got a lot of people like
yes guys, now we are here. We are making the final party of the late,
and I'm making sure that Gali, this is the stable food in Africa, you know. I know a lot of people in the US don't know about this. They don't know. They know, but a lot of people don't know. I've never tried this.
I do tell them that
the white.
Yeah,
not you. You
know.
Mike Sambag from USA.
Okay.
No, and Robinson from Global. Anaendesha ndege. He knows. Ashaonja kwangu ugali.
All right.
he's saying that Robinson, a pilot, he once like tested ugali.
Hiyo unge itatosha. Itatosha, si ndio? Mboga zimewekwa kaka. All right, so mboga guys, so mboga they don't want us to cook mboga.
Isaac
It's like
yeah. You know Isaac guys. It's not his
I'm
first
not
time.
only a rider.
You just
But
cook.
also a
You're a strong
You're
man.
not only a rider.
But also a chef.
Also a chef.
Right.
Yeah, guys, this is the guy who usually rides us in the village, you know. The best
But he
rider.
knows how to
Best
cook.
rider
Yeah,
in the
the best
village.
rider in the village.
He knows how to cook
Yeah, the
ugali.
best Gen Z rider.
Yes.
Best
he knows how to
Gen Z
cook
rider.
ugali.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
But guys,
man.
it's not
A
achievable
strong
now.
Gen Z, imagine.
It's only 12 p.m.
Yeah, it's 12. It's lunch.
But, we
It's lunch
decided to
hours.
show up at James Robbie's home very early.
Yeah.
To make sure that everything is running.
Everything is running.
Make sure that everything is running.
Yes.
This Kasuku Benito
We
himself.
can't run.
Yeah, if you don't know me, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Representing with the Jamaican boy here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You should
Cooking
visit,
the
you should
ugali.
visit Jamaica.
Yeah, I have to visit Jamaica, of course.
Even daylight
Yeah.
and
Wait,
dark.
wait.
That's my mind.
Sure, you should.
Yeah.
Your first, by the way, your first country. You know, your first country to visit like abroad. I
No,
prefer
imagine
to
even
visit
Brazil.
Jamaica, is it? Yeah, of
First
course.
country.
You wish.
The
If
first
you ever visit abroad,
yeah.
visit Jamaica. The first.
In fact, that's my dream. My dream,
What
you know.
about South Africa?
Yeah. And when I go to
on the list, but I prefer.
My Mogesi
when I
went
go
to
to
South
Jamaica,
Africa.
I will going with the unga so
Yeah,
that
yeah,
I
you
can
go cook.
cooking the ugali there.
Ugali.
You know Jamaica. I think
Imagine
Jamaica
we
is in
eat-
the USA,
Yeah, Jamaica.
Imagine we eat for
Yeah.
free.
not in
Not in
America.
Africa.
But
Yeah.
it's not for free.
Can you hold this for me? I want to spin, man.
You want to spin?
Yes, man.
Everyone here must spin.
Yeah.
You know it's not easy, guys.
Yeah, it's not easy spinning this.
Yeah, we have to spin all of us.
I'm going to make sure camera yangu inaniona.
This is Benito now.
They need also.
Yeah, he's cooking now here right now, as you can see.
My son, I love you.
Hey,
Agape love.
This one
Yes.
imeanza kuanguka.
No.
unaona Beni, mwiku inaenda chini.
Chini kabisa ndani.
Ndani. Unaweka kuni hivi, alafu unainua na hivi.
We are here prepared. Add unga.
Yeah, preparing for lunch. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, right now.
Where are
Here.
you?
Hey.
Ati Mandela.
Mambo.
President of where?
President of South Africa.
No, from Tanzania.
Let's cook the ugali.
Oh no. Benito is here. Man doing majambos.
Doing what?
And you know,
Making sure
guys.
that we stir everything, you know.
Yeah.
Ugali,
Ugali
we
here.
are not supposed to see any particle of flour.
Flour.
It's supposed to be mixed.
Yeah, man.
Mixed.
Ama mbona nichoma?
Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah,
Put
man.
up even in a record. Yeah.
All right.
So guys, that's how
Thank
the
you,
process
guys.
is going on.
Thank you, my sons. Imagine I love you.
In fact, this is one of our mothers, a mother to a friend of ours.
Thank
Sure,
you so
muoneshe.
much. Mama
this
Dela.
one here.
Yeah, it's a mother
Ile
to
tumuita Mogesi wa Mrimamo.
Gangu too. Yeah, man. Now.
Yeah, Jamaican boy now on the
Are you
spin.
really energetic to
You know just sasa ume.
well, you
Jamaican boy is now.
we go like this.
No. You know
this method like this.
I'm elder than you know. So I know this thing before you go.
You might
Calm down.
He chill.
Calm down.
Chill.
Chill.
Down.
Mandela.
I show you something.
Yeah.
Which something?
So Mandela just got the spin when the ugali is
The ugali.
heavy.
Yeah.
You know when we were spinning,
Yeah.
it was
was
still,
like carbon
it was light, but now it's now going becoming heavy.
Using the very strength here, guys,
Yeah.
as you can.
Sure.
Yeah, and you know here is a local jiko, guys. That's why you see.
By the way, yeah,
Like,
smoke.
Imagine me and my
You see this smoke?
a lot of smoke is choking us.
You are a digital?
Yes.
What do you mean a digital?
Imagine emergency too.
Imagine the mom.
No. Hapana.
He's not even a millennial, but he's
about the Gen Z and whatever.
Yeah, I'm here with
This mom
Yes.
has kids even older than Jamaican boy.
yeah.
firstborn is older
the
than
Jamaican
Jamaican
boy.
boy.
Yeah, your firstborn is older than Jamaican boy.
Yeah, it's called the Dera.
De la Cream. I usually call him De la Cream. When I meet him, I call him De la Cream.
You see now the
My
way
son, imagine.
Yeah, De la Cream. I call him De la
He's my
Cream.
son, imagine.
For sure.
that's
Bila aibu.
ugali.
Bila
African
aibu.
village
Kama
ugali.
mbaya wapake rangi.
She's saying he's his son.
He's his son,
And,
whether you like it or not.
not.
with
Not the
blood.
weather. The weather is clear now.
Yeah, kindly guys, we
I
are
think the mom has something on the
we
head.
are cooking here at the funeral.
She has put some beer.
Yeah.
That's
Some
what
two
she-
beers.
Some two beers.
Is
are
that
on the
why
body.
Martin work?
Yeah, ana
Shaka
control.
kitambo. Oh yeah.
No.
Ana control. The mom is controlling
This
down.
mom have a vibe like a Jamaican there.
Yeah. This mom is a vibe.
There's a vibe, mom.
That's why you see all the moms are
That's
not
why you
here,
hear
but
us
we
saying-
only have this mom.
They are sitting there.
Yeah, we only have this
They are
mom
waiting
around.
for ugali.
Yeah.
But with her,
With her, she's here
here.
controlling this fire.
Ava here.
she's the one who
Imagine if
makes sure
I
that
don't have
fire
earrings.
Yeah, she's the one that controls this fire. Make sure that it lit.
Yes.
As the energetic men do that thing.
Now,
Yeah, acha chill.
yeah, I chill and
Tena tugeuze, tena chill, tena tugeuze. Alafu sasa tutoe.
cooking this
to dance.
ugali isn't easy. As you can see, we have really sweated. Eh?
Man, it's not easy.
That means
Naema.
cooking this ugali isn't easy.
Yeah, isn't
Where's the
easy,
mom, by the
guys. Isn't easy. Now we are
Where's the mom?
here, three of us, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
You don't know?
Imagine I can't imagine.
Okay, so
I can't imagine.
you can't imagine.
This is very sad.
Yeah, we are here just cooking, guys, for lunch.
Young boy.
Water. Water is inside there.
It's a young boy, imagine.
Water is inside there.
I'm straight in this water. This fire is
It's too bad.
Burning the ugali. The mindy.
The ryoki is here
The
again.
yoke or the shamba.
The ryoki.
all this
Oh,
cameraman.
no. Imagine you are doing something. Oh, you are the one who was cooking
Hey,
the
you have
ugali.
to relax, girl, and chill. You know.
Let's go home.
You see
When do you want to shower?
Look.
Close, I'm going to.
What do you wear?
Why are you pouring water on your
Imagine even me, I want to shower. Imagine since yesterday, I'm tired.
So hot. I mean so hot.
Yes.
So I'm cooling my body.
Me too have just had
Imagine
a bottle
even me, I want to go and shower.
from my friend of mine.
Yeah, you see, guys.
The friend of daylight, my
From the
son
support
too.
of the Gen Zs at home, we have this water.
Yeah.
When you need, you just get it. You can-
you get it.
This from the support of you guys from YouTube. We
Yeah,
are
guys.
support from making sure that
For real.
water is here in plenty.
Imagine hata
As we are planning to buy a casket.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
man.
Yeah, man.
Yako ni yako.
Who is with us the YouTubers? You know, he was one of us was a YouTuber. So
Imagine
if you are
hatuna aibu.
having
Yetu ni yetu.
anything
Yako ni yako.
small, whether in
Yeah,
Gasupu's
cooking
channel, the American Boy
And
channel,
you want
my
to go
channel,
in America?
just drop it
No,
there.
no, you can go
We'll
even
appreciate
Dubai.
your support to make sure we give our brother a nice send off. I think Gasuku Benito will drop there the number where you can drop
Wait,
your contribution.
who is
Jamaican
Benito?
Boy will give you the number where you can drop the
Who
support.
is pondoring
Mtu
this?
apendua.
I'll give
Oh,
you the
let
number
me
where you
pendua it.
give the support.
Can you pendua?
Pendua?
Let me pendua
Yeah,
it,
you
guys.
should
You
like
see?
turn it now to
You know-
cook from the other
Yes.
side. Then we now
Now you are doing.
Call it.
we call it
Do it.
now.
Na hiyo ugali unajua
Thanks.
itakuwa nzuri sana.
Hakuna ugari hapa, hapa ni
tumeipika
chakura.
poa.
Mashakura.
Hii ni ugali.
Yes. Hii ni ya mbosho.
This mom is a vibe.
It's a vibe.
Mbosho is a Kikuyu word
This is a mbosho.
You said they know.
meaning
You said they know about
beans.
Sheng.
Bosho is not Sheng. Bosho is one of the local languages.
They know about Sheng that
Record them, I can boy and we hear what
the
he's saying.
beans,
but especially from Kenyans, they have youths that talk.
The beans.
They mix the language.
Yes, the language.
Yeah, they call it the Sheng.
And you can do the ugali.
Yeah, let me do it. Alright.
Yes, alright, left.
Guys, I'm really thirsty and sweaty.
Imagine me,
You
I'm
see, I'm wearing a black attire, and you know black
Imagine since
and
yesterday.
sunlight.
Not sunlight.
Why are you laughing?
Do you like?
Huh?
Do you like
Jamaican boy, why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because you know the English come from my side here.
Yeah.
It's not English.
Can you do the left?
Hey, the ugali, I've started the movie.
Can you do the left?
You hear the sound, you can feel the
Guys,
Do
without you
the
can feel the
smell,
scent,
not
but
here.
with you,
I don't know
Yeah, the
but
smell,
with you, you
the
cannot
smell.
feel the scent. You will only get.
Yes, and
The smell.
yeah,
You hear?
don't
So,
now to me, like, it started cooking.
Imagine you don't
Yeah,
know.
man.
It's not cooking. You know when I was taught like about
When
cooking, I was
I am
told
a
that
boy,
you
yes.
make sure that this ugali
No,
is
no,
not
no. Once upon a
touching the nini,
The ugali was
the mwiko.
yes.
Cooking.
Yeah, you make
cooking.
sure that ukizungusha
Unatoa.
Hapana, si kuzungu ni ugali.
Oh, give me that.
Kanaitwanga nini kale ka kitu kana twanga ugali hivi?
That's more.
Nadhani sasa inaiva.
When you put here your hand, you can burn.
Yeah, you can burn.
Yeah, so they are
Don't burn.
Look how we go with the trouble, guys. This
guys
motion.
now it's now very hard.
Yeah, very
I
hard.
mean now
It's done.
Na inaelekea kukua. Hii hadi shaku unajua.
So guys, it's due to Mandela.
Yes, not the Mandela,
Jamaican
Jamaican boy,
boy.
Africa.
Africa. Apart
Yeah,
from
man.
being a content creator, he's also an MC.
MC.
by the way, bro,
Nani?
you want to do
Baba.
a tribute song for Jemo.
Yeah, of course. I'm going to do it. Yeah, I think I'm going there tomorrow. Is tomorrow the contribution here?
Yeah, tomorrow is Saturday.
So is today I have to go there at
Give
night?
us a hint of the contribution song.
The tribute.
Yeah,
Or you know
the lyrics.
I know you are an artist, so you know everything about it.
Yeah.
You can give us a freestyle of it.
I can give you a freestyle, yes.
Yeah.
You know me, I'm an artist, so this less things like lyrics is not.
Let me hold
Yeah,
your
it's
camera.
not
You
problem.
are fans.
You can
It's
just
not a
get a
problem, guys. Yeah, you know. Yeah.
Give us a hint. Give us a.
wait, tuendelee.
Tunalia. Tunalia. Tulikuwa tunampenda sisi wote, tulikuwa karibu yake sisi wote, ndio maana tuko hapa sasa tunalia. Oh, Jemo rudi tena.
Atarudi.
Jemo rudi tena. Tunakuhitaji. Guys, you know.
Guys,
Yeah,
as you can hear the freestyle that our brother.
Yeah, I don't want just to be emotional right now here. You know, we are cooking,
if
so
we continue singing
yeah,
the song,
we can just
so
drop.
emotional.
We
The
can.
song, fortunately, is not in English. It's a Swahili.
Yeah, it's a Swahili, but I can mix English one.
Yeah, he
You
can.
can
Yeah,
mix English.
yeah. When I go to studio there,
Really good.
when I go to studio there, yeah, going to the studio there.
It's fitted in there. So guys, all I can tell you,
Ugari mulema.
keep watching this video.
You know, guys, this one here, it cannot be enough even. Yeah, you can think that is many, but you know, here we are very many visitors right now in this home. Yeah, it cannot.
We are receiving a lot of visitors.
Yeah, we are receiving.
And we
They
are
are
trying to make
coming.
sure that
Ugari
all
imeiva
visitors who
kuja.
are coming, they get something to eat, you know. We done.
Acha niende kwa mboga hapa. Ganinche that. Yeah, man. Hey, guys, you know it's very dark. Hey. Yani ni gisunta taruga sakumbiga kidogo. Sitoke mlangoni kidogo. Guys, this is the mboga. Yeah, this is the mboga we'll use to eat lunch, matumbo. We bite the matumbo. Yeah, it's here now. When do unapika?
Yeah.
Right, this is the cook of today now, guys. So guys, you know, today we are making, see, leo ndo tunaweka slab. Today we are putting the slab at the toilet there.
Yeah, today.
Yeah. So we are waiting for fundi to come. The mason. Yeah? We are waiting for mason, yeah?
We just started.
Where is mason? Wewe tukakutuma unaenda na kina Recho, wewe undunge organize tupate mchanga na kokoto, hata wewe mbaba acha kutuangusha bana.
Aya nani fundi. So
when do refer organize fundi apatikane?
Fundi by the way, Kenya sema analeta fundi.
Haya, ameenda sasa mtu wa tukutuku atakuja saa ngapi? Ataleta saa ngapi material?
Analeta tiles hapo kwa mzee fulani sije material. Amesema na kama.
Mafuta. Tunataka mafuta. Natende na
oh, ni hivi tu. Nyamboge bana.
You see I'm preparing.
Wewe just cook for buy.
Preparing the.
Ona buy kataka ni kulipia.
Ona mbaba. Hata kama utampata ako busy, ukipata mtu yeyote mwenye anaweza beba.
Our chef is preparing the
akuja nayo.
Cooking stick that just cook to garlic.
Guys, the visitor is here coming. Mick is here. Guys.
Man, Mick has arrived. My guy record.
Yeah, man. Tupe beseni tupikie ka. Ona ukweli wewe unaleta hakuna sufuria. What are you doing, guys?
I'm just watching.
This is a traditional,
this is a traditional way.
After cooking, you have to remove the orugari from the mwiko.
The cooking stick. You see?
Yeah.
Even the sufuria have just arrived.
This is the sufuria. Eti nyama wanapika. Lakini ugari na sukuma ni sisi. Guys, you know. Yeah.
Guys, Mandela is funny. They are giving us to prepare sukuma and ugali, then they only cook.
Yeah.
You could have consumed it all.
No.
Kuna joda kwanza nyama sindo tungeipika fiti.
Sindo tungeipika fiti bana. Now guys, here is the girls. Sukuma wiki is here.
Guys, we are cooking sukuma wiki in English.
Guys, Mick is here. Uncle. Come on. Mick. Sorry na safari, welcome. We are cooking. Yes. Yes, we are cooking. Okay, what are you saying?
I want 100 bob. I go and bring to take the concrete.
Yeah, so that we can start the project of the toilet. Okay, guys, now I'm going to give him the money so that he can go and bring the tuk-tuk. We are going to use tuk-tuk. Right. Ashton Mambo is here. Smiling. Yeah, so guys, I'm giving
Ashton Mambo is also here. Yeah. The tomatoes first. Yeah, chop the
the tall man. Sunday JJ.
Jamaican boy.
Yeah. Why are you doing like this?
Bro, that
the smoke. Yeah, here you have to survive, guys.
Yeah, guys already in the house. What's up, bro?
Man, I'm coming to rant on time.
Lunch. You are right.
just come right on time.
Right on
I'm here
time.
chopping some.
If you are watching, you are just timing right on time.
Because you know there's moshi.
I see something.
Hii moshi ni mingi.
You guy.
Aini ya nani?
Yeah.
Chini ya dude.
Alright guys, this the contribution is going on. Make have give me here 500.
Na hizo zingine.
Yeah, hizi ni za dube, si ndio?
Hizo ni zile ile maneno.
Tumetumanisha fundi hawa kuji vai.
Unajua tunataka ianze saa hii.
Sasa madam umekaa kwa moshi.
Wewe ndio umekaa kwa moshi, sisi. Sukuma wamepika nyama. So we are waiting for sukuma. Yeah, so that we can make it to our stomach. What is that?
Guys, our chef.
Guys, this is
our chef.
He's using another method we've never
He's trying to use another method that
Wait, I love you.
Not familiar.
Even Delight is, you know, is a strong guy.
New
No.
Tawalai wenu ngechomeka.
Even Delight know how to.
Ambrose is Caparo today here, guys.
Not Ambrose.
Oh, not Ambrose. Evans Mwita here.
Imagine Mama knows how to.
AKA scope.
We have a Travis.
Yeah, man.
Guys, is the bishop.
Yo, thank you, Mama Delight. You know she know. She know what she's doing. Yes. This delicious sukuma, guys. We are preparing delicious sukuma. Yeah. Things is doing good here today. Yeah, guys, kindly today we are the one who cooking here. This is Murimi. What do you want here, man? Go there and wait the food. Go wait the food there. Yes. Don't.
Oh yeah, neighbor.
I think it's full, but when we will cook, it will reduce.
Yeah, it will be
almost to nothing.
Almost to nothing.
For now, it's full. Guys,
The tallest man. Bruno.
More fire. More.
Oh, fire!
what's up?
What's up, man?
Fire, baby.
I can't see you because of the smoke is too many. I'm seeing the smoke there. We are here cooking. Yes, guys, I was taking the water, this water here. They want to take it just there so that they can have a drink. Yeah, man, for some. Yake norore, kwani norose? Mura. Ni ondere. Tutaya? Hivi kwa kina Jemo. Sini chwani? Guys, I'm taking the water to the place so that they can take water there.